Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. I want to thank you all for joining me. We stopped here in Winslow, Indiana. Yes, I definitely want to say hello to everybody here in Winslow, Indiana. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining. This is CJ the Traveling Man. As you know, we're going to be going all over the state of Indiana. Yes, all over the state of Indiana. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Winslow. So other than that, sit back and I'll tell you some history facts. Winslow was laid out in 1837. The town was named for William Winslow Hathaway, the son of an early settler. A post office was established and had been in operation in Winslow since 1839. So other than that, that's a little bit of history facts. We're heading to the next town. I definitely will be showing a little bit of information at the bottom of the description, so make sure you tune in every week. Yes, every week. Every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday to see where you see CJ the Traveling Man at. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveling Man, about to sign out. And I definitely want to say one more time to everybody, hello to everybody in Winslow, Indiana. Make sure you spread the word. Tell your mama, your daddy, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, and everybody that CJ made a stop here. So other than that, I'm on my way out. I hope you guys enjoy this. Peace.